take a look at the screen. This screen actually is made by Hitachi. NEC. It's 10.4-inch screen. So basically, to upgrade this LED with our LSR series is quite easy. As other previous video you have watched before, this plastic kit, you just push it down. You see that? Push it down. Just took it out. All right, easy. So this kit, let me disconnect this one first. It's LSR series, the newest one. So when you receive it, when you ready to install it, you supposed to slice it in. But before you do that, I want you to remove the covers. This, you see this? This is brand new, okay? So this is a blue thing to cover it. Okay, so remove this. Make sure it's not good. Okay. Just slice right back, basically. You see that? You can either add a tip on it along with this. That's fine too. Okay. Now let's take a look at chassis. The metal chassis we just done. We done already for the upgrade. But on this end, you see this. This one's original for a CCFL, which is connected here. So what we do is that we're going to mount it, our driver right here, because we can peel it off. So what I would like to do is I'm going to remove this module. This is actually just a board with the wires. It's really simple device. I want to remove it. So because there's a plenty of space, you don't need to mount it same location. You can mount it here too. So see that? Well, why don't we mount it here? It's easier. So just peel off. See this? And just mount it right here. This is the black tip is made by 3M, so sticky, and also have some heat sink too, and spread the heat faster. Done deal. All right. So we're gonna mount back a LCD. So first we're gonna connect this here. Connect back the DF9 connector back. The wire, make sure the wire comes out this side. Yeah. All right. Then we're gonna connect to right here. Okay. Okay, we're gonna flip over. I think I put it wrong way, so I should put it on the other side because this wire is not okay. So we're gonna put it. Either one is okay. Okay, so we put here. Okay. Now it's done. Okay, this wire come out this side. We're gonna put back a touchscreen. Okay. So here's a touchscreen. The wire comes out from this side. We don't know. Okay. And, oops. Okay. This is a touchscreen ribbon cable. That make sure it lights up. Okay, all right. So we put 4 screws. I removed some screw already, so this is also screw too, so we can screw it back later. Next thing, we're gonna put the main board back. All right. So the wires. We're gonna put the main board back. Here we go. This larger screws. So. Okay, now we put back this connectors. This one you can either come out from here, and then we put back the, I show you with the quick touch screens, ribbon cable. As this one, the white is connected to 12 volt, the black is ground. We have measured it. Pin 1 is 3.1, pin 2 5 volt, pin 3 12 volt. Pin 4, pin 5 ground, this is negative 12 volt. So basically red connect to pin 3. Remember 1, 2, 3. So you just, this one is a hook like a spring. So you just push all the way down pin 3, right? Pin 3. Sometimes if this is not going, and change the directions, okay? Here you go. Pin 4. Here we go. No solderings, okay? Remember, this is very important. Pin 1, pin 2, so you connect red to pin 3 from here. Pin 4 is black. So let's put it right back. You're not gonna hear any noise because we are not connecting to a actually a backlights, because we already took this cable out. All right. Okay. Done. Let's take a look. See what's the result. No solderings. Let's check it out. You see? No noise anymore because that's the noise coming from this one. I didn't connect to the back CCFLM. I think this angle looks much better. So it's much brighter. So let me see here. We're gonna push this one. Okay, exit. Run mode. So everything looks like a function. Screen. All right. So memory cards. Thank you for watching.